Hey guys, how's going with you all? Well, very good afternoon. Let's show all my home plants at my garden pots, which I put in my home place through gardening process. And you know what, guys? Don't you believe all that these little plants I found from Sikkim, state of India, Northeast, previous year in the time of peak season of winter. We all family members a long trip for that place, and from there me and my mama brought some 2 or 3 small plants, and now it's amazingly grows in Jharkhand. My home place. Very blessed. I love to do gardening in my spare time, so wanna share all these beautiful things or memories with you all, which for sure all you guys love it and do some gardening. Personally, I grow plants for many reasons: to please my soul, to challenge the elements, or to challenge my patience, for novelty, or for nostalgia, but mostly for the joy in seeing them grow. That's it. And more thing for the day, my mama done the worship of gods at the special day, which is Buddha Purnima. Wish you all a very warm and peaceful day at Buddha Purnima. Buddham Saranam Gacchami. One of quotation wanna share you guys, which said by Gautam Buddha, that is, drop by drop is the water pot filled, drop by drop is the water pot filled, likewise the wise man gathering it, likewise the wise man gathering it, little by little fills himself with good, little by little fills himself with good. Also, the mind is everything. Also, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. All for the day. Hope you all gonna love it to share this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon the next vlogs. And thank you. Thanks for watching.